What's up everyone? So judging by the thumbnail, you guys already know what mod that has arrived for the Tacoma. I'm starting to get in all the pieces for this huge project. I can't wait to show you guys more. I have some time to kill today because I'm not expecting this package until like 2 o'clock today. So first up, I have to get the truck out of the garage, put the R8 back into the garage, and we can head out. So the first stop is the gas station. The truck doesn't get the best MPG, but with the mods coming, you guys will see it's only gonna go down from there. I thought I'd try something new with you guys here. With you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. All right, time to head out. So coming up to this kind of like a shortcut road, it's something that I passed the other day, and it doesn't look like really anybody goes down this road here, and I saw a couple trails off of it. But it looks like something that I could take my car on too. All right, so I think I'm gonna get out and walk it first just to see what we're dealing with. But it's so quiet out here. This is a good testing road to bring the car. So I definitely need to come back here and film with the car. Let's see what we got up here for you guys. Well, I'm not sure if there's gonna be anything that way, but it might be worth a shot. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Alright, not too bad. I wish I could reach you guys. So I decided to walk this a little bit more, and I think that's it for today's off-road adventure there. It's nothing but overgrown trees and stuff, and it might be a dead end for today, but that just means we get to get home, see the package arrive, hopefully. Ooh, I'm hustling out here for you guys. It's so hot today, but get one last look at the stock Tacoma, because in the next couple of vlogs here, this isn't gonna be stock much longer. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. So unfortunately, today was not the best off-roading adventure. I went 50 feet here, but I will have a link to our real last off-road adventure down in the description below. Make sure you guys check that out. It's also a good thing that I filled up because I haven't seen one car out here since I got here. This is an awesome road for the R8 for sure. So there was our last mini adventure. Time to go get the new parts. Ooh, something has arrived. Let's go check them out, guys. All right. These are my new RTX wheels. Definitely check out their website. I'll have it down in the description below. They had a ton of choices for the truck. They also have car wheels too. So definitely take a look at their website. Before we go down, I'm gonna show you guys a sneak peek at something. And then I have to get the R8 back out of the garage, bring these down, we'll unbox them there. But just a sneak peek. I actually got everything for the truck today. Look, it's taller than the TV. But yeah, so let's get these downstairs. That's a lot of work bringing these down 3 flights of stairs. And I still have the tires to go. Another video. Whew. All right.
I'm losing the best of you. new RTX wheels. These are the Cannons. They measure 18 by 9. They have a +10 offset. I really like the lip on them. I think they're gonna look really good on the truck. Comment down below, what do you guys think? How do you think they'll look against the new tires that I have? You'll see those coming soon. I think it's gonna look really cool. You saw the caps, of course, that'll put on the inside. They have all the hardware. These 3 silver bolts are gonna offset the black ones, so you see the missing holes there. It'll look really cool. These are the new stems for them too. So I can't wait to test fit these. Now what I need to do, need to go to Home Depot or Lowe's, get a jack and jack stands. I don't have any in my garage here. So that's the next plan for today. That way we can get these, kind of get a rough idea of how they'll look on the truck. Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah.
I just hopped in the truck. I'm on my way.
Oh, on your way over here?
Yeah, is that all right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we can head out and grab that jack and stands. Alrighty, I'll see you in a bit and we'll head out. Compared to Lowe's, where
I don't like Lowe's.
they don't even help you in any section.
They will not help you.
So we've been here, if you guys haven't noticed, I'm filming with a GoPro now. It's easier to carry in the store. What is this, our 178th trip to Home Depot this month? We live here.
Yeah, there's a call there.
Thank you, yeah. Ford, GMC, or my future lifted Tacoma. Comment down below, you guys, what do you think?
Those tires are too small for that truck.
Yeah? What about the ones on the Ford? Those are 35s. Those are bigger than, well, the viewers don't know what I got yet. So they could be small. That's a spacer lift, about a 6-inch lift with front strut spacers, which is a no-go. So, it's definitely got some weight to it. All right, so back from Home Depot, I got a pretty beefy jack here. This thing weighs a ton. I hope it's low profile enough for my car. I'll probably just have to put it on blocks anyway. But the jacks too are pretty bulky, pretty beefy. They got this pin on them. So I got a pretty good setup here. Now it's time to I think I'm gonna do the driver's side, get this up off the ground, make sure the wheels fit. So I've got my jack safely secure on that rear axle. Let me go grab the wheel. I'm excited. I am excited how these are gonna look. Let me go grab it, run to my garage, and I'll be right back. Yep. So, stock lug nuts are not going to work, and that's not going to stay on unless I bolt it. So, I'm glad that I did this, because I'm going to have to get new ones, but... Aside from having to get new lugs, I'm already liking the fitment of them. If you guys can see, I'm gonna try to get as close to the fender flare as I can here. So here's the wheel. I mean, it sticks out just a good bit. I think that's gonna look really good. And then with the tires that I have, I think I'm gonna have the fitment that I'm looking for. So what do you guys think? Comment down below. What do you think of the setup so far? I'm going from 16s to 18s now. I think those are 16 by 8.5, 16 by 8, I think it's 8.5, to 18 by 9. And don't forget guys to check out rtxwheels.com. I'll have a link to their website down in the description below. Definitely check them out. They have a lot of awesome wheels for trucks and cars. So I think that sums up today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Smash the subscribe button. Stay tuned for the rest of this build. You guys already saw a sneak peek of the rest of the items that are up in my living room right now at the moment. I need to move all those down to the garage and make those unbox videos later today. Again, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next video.